Hello everyone and welcome to episode 221 of the castle, where we're going to get some more stone. Right, time to do some repairs. Hopefully if I weld this pipe in here, it will sort of stop the bike from folding in and breaking again.
Sunrise creeping on a sleepy town.
We're upgrading the definitely not a tank with some extra tread plate over here that I found, so that we can put more stuff on the back.
Coffee black and strong, just like my will. Got a mountain to climb, a new quota to fill. But something's different now, a quiet hum somehow. Accidents happen, but they happen less now to me.
Let's log one of the day.
You poke the bear, honey, now you pay the fee. Yeah, you poke the bear, rumble deep inside. Now you pay the fee.
Alrighty.
Nowhere left to hide. Used to trip on air, used to spill my drink, used to say the wrong thing, never stopped to think. Heart on my sleeve, a target for every dog. Now my arm
Check the
shines,
seaweed
a
trap.
brand new
Right, looks like the
work
seaweed
art,
trap
no more
filled in and it's no
silly
longer
slips.
effective. It needs to be a certain
Just
depth in order to catch seaweed.
confidently.
And do some hauling.
Accidents happen, but they happen less now to me. You poke the bear, honey, now you pay the fee. Yeah, you poke the bear, rumble deep inside. Now you pay the fee. Nowhere left to hide.
We have arrived at the quarry. Now we must get the stone. Alright, we're going to put the stick in.
Thing going on down the road here.
Building by the lake. When along came some people, friendly hands I shake. Somebody spread a rumor, somebody spread some lies. A smear campaign so basic that it almost makes me smile. They came up with the reason, subtlety and treason, pushing down my walls in the beginning of the season. I just smiled and nodded as they pushed my castle over, patiently awaiting the stand or getting slower. They pushed down my walls, I just stood there and let them. Inside my heart is breaking, too sad to even get them. Smiled in my face, then they plotted behind my back, said mean things about me after eating all my snacks. I just let it go, but now I'm feeling sad. Thought I made some friends, but they turned out to be bad. Hoping for some real friends, ones that are not fake, friends that really help and are good for goodness sake. Someone who is honest and who says what is on their mind, is happy when I'm winning and not trying to undermine. Family that doesn't want to drug me all the time. But until that day I will build my castle up alone. Threw away my trust and I gave the dog a bone. Crushed up all my matches and put them in a pile. Set fire to my phone and then I shot it for a while. They pushed over my pile of stones, they laughed at me and said, We'll call the cops upon him, poison him until he's dead. They tried to wipe my memories with the drugs inside a cage, but I entered all their minds and I made them play a game. It's amazing how people can believe that they are right. To take away the freedom, make us crazy, make us fight. Psychotronic weaponry pointed at our destiny, but I'm about to flip the table, rip off their masks and make them flee. Knock me down and I get back up. Stack my walls till I made a hut. Knock me down and I get back up until at last my ark door shuts. Knock me down and I get back up. Pretend to care, but I don't fight the fight.
There's the castle, it's still tiny.
Heavy waters rising, fire from the skies, then stars falling down. When mushroom clouds rising, laughing at me now, till I snip the wiring, hiding in your heat waters, little box of snacks, watching you, watching me, fake CCTV loop before I attack. Hoping for some real friends, ones that are not fake, friends that really help
got a load of wood.
and are good for goodness sake. Someone who is honest and who says what is on their mind. Is happy when I'm winning and I try to undermine. Family that doesn't want to drug me all the time. But
Probably
until
just a
that
friend
day, I will
drinking.
build my castle up alone. Threw away my trust and I gave the dog
Got a
a
little
bone.
stove.
Crushed up all my matches and put them in a pile. Set fire to my phone and then I shot it for a while.